Hello, let's talk today about the benefits of avocado. The avocado, is it good? Find out if it's worth consuming avocado in your day. And your 11 health benefits of avocado. Avocado is the edible fruit of the avocado tree, Persea americana, a tree of the Lauraceae family native to Mexico or South America, today widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions, including the Canary Islands, Madeira Island, and in Sicily. Greetings and welcome to Nature of the Amazon channel. I ask you to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge. And let's go by video. Etymology. Avocado originated from Nahuatl, a language spoken by indigenous groups that inhabited Mexico and El Salvador. The word avocado, in that language, means testicle and was used to name the fruit. Composition. It has more than 30% of fat, commercially extracted from the seed, such as from the mesocarp of the fruit, and for cosmetic application. It is rich in sugars and vitamins and has one of the highest levels of protein and vitamin A among fruits. It also has useful amounts of iron, magnesium, and vitamins C, E, and B6, 5, in addition to vitamin A. It is consumed alone or in salads seasoned with sauces, as in guacamole, a dish of Mexican cuisine, or as a dessert, shaken with milk and sugar or with sugar and lemon, in Mozambique and Brazil. Harvest. From January to December, with an emphasis on April and May. It is usually carried out using ladders and appropriate shears, or bag catchers that are used to collect the fruits in the highest parts of the tree. The fruits must not be harvested without a peduncle, which must be trimmed, leaving 6 mm to 10 mm in length to facilitate packaging. History. The avocado was widely cultivated before the Spanish conquest, but it only came to the attention of horticulturists in the 19th century. The Nahuatl name for the fruit is avocado, which means testicle, in reference to its shape, which gave rise, in Spanish, to the word aguacate. Avocado is a rounded or piriform fruit, with an average weight of 500 g to 1500 g. Its bark varies, in color, from green to dark red, passing through brown, violet, or black. Its two main varieties are strong, green color, and Hass, purple color. The tree, the avocado tree, reaches up to 30 m and grows best in warm climates. A new variety of avocado, developed by the North American company Appeal, has recently started to be marketed in Europe, and which will have an average life twice as long as the existing varieties. Scientific classification. Kingdom. Plant. Division. Magnoliophyta. Class. Magnoliopsid. Order. Laurels. Family. Lauraceae. Genre. Persea. Species. American pea. Binomial name. American Persea. Medicinal use. In addition to its nutritional value, Persea americana is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine for the treatment of various diseases, such as hypertension, stomach pain, bronchitis, diarrhea, and diabetes. Research has shown that its aqueous extract has analgesic and anti-inflammatory activity, comparable to acetylsalicylic acid. Cholesterol. In the 1960s, some studies carried out by Grant showed that the consumption of avocado caused a decrease in cholesterol from 8.7 to 42.8%. Later, in the year 1992, a survey at the General Hospital of Morelia observed a significant decrease in both the cholesterol level and the plasma level of triglycerides. The decrease in triglycerides was unexpected since avocado is one of the richest fruits in triglycerides. Pamplona, page 75. Anemia. Normally, the iron found in vegetables is more difficult to assimilate by the body. However, the iron in avocados is relatively better assimilated than other plant foods, even though they are not of the Hem type, Ibid, 75. 2. Diabetes mellitus. Avocado is a great ally in the diet of people with type 2 diabetes mellitus, as it is a food with a high energy load attributed to a higher lipid composition compared to other fruits that have less lipids and more sugars.
presenting great levels of fatty acids and omega-9, bioactive compounds, sterols, tocopherols and carotenoids, antioxidants, and fat-soluble vitamins A, B, D and E. In addition, a systematic review of the benefits of avocado in metabolic diseases published in 2017 in the journal Phytotherapy Research revealed that its consumption has an important impact on the control of type 2 DM. The study revealed that the monosaccharide D-mannocapsulose present in avocado had a hypoglycemic effect in women with type 2 DM, in addition to reducing insulin levels in the blood and have controlled your appetite. It also revealed that the consumption of the extract obtained by boiling the avocado seed exerted these same effects in diabetic rats, in addition to attenuating the damage caused by type 2 DM in hepatocytes.
In vitro, the extract of avocado leaves and peels also demonstrated important effects in the inhibition of alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase, enzymes that degrade carbohydrates and that act in the onset and aggravation of the disease. Evolutionary anachronism.
Originating in the Cenozoic era, it was successful in the natural selection process of that period, since the megafauna's preference for its consumption, since small fruits should be ingested in large quantities to meet the food needs of huge animals, while relatively small amounts of avocados would satisfy said animals. After consumption, the seeds were dispersed in the feces of the animals they ingested, an efficient means of distributing the plant. Such factors favored the evolutionary success of avocados in ancient times. With the extinction of such fauna, around 10,000 BC, the mechanism also ceased to exist. The same process occurred with other tropical fruits, such as mango, papaya, durian and imperial cassia, in addition to roots, such as cassava.
However, thanks to the human appreciation for the mentioned plants, their existence could last until the present time. Peoples of Central America cultivated the plant, which allowed the plant to survive. The phenomenon in question is called anachronism, since such species would be out of their due season. World production. Country production in 2018. Yearly tons. Mexico, 2,184,663. Dominican Republic, 644,306. Peru, 504,517. Indonesia, 410,094. Colombia, 326,666. Brazil, 235,788. Kenya, 233,933. United States, 168,528. Venezuela, 139,685. Israel, 131,720. Production in Brazil.
In 2018, Brazil produced 235,000 tons of avocado, being the sixth largest producer in the world. The states that produce the most are mainly São Paulo, 121,000 tons, Minas Gerais, 50,000 tons, and Paraná, 20,000 tons.
Of this production, almost 98% is consumed in the country and only 2% is exported.
In 2019, 51,109.81 tons of avocados were sold at CEGESP, of which 33.46% were Fortuna avocados, 22.94% were Quintal avocados, 13.82% were Breda avocados, 12.63% were frosted avocados and 11.43% were frosted avocados.
Percent avocado daisy.
21. In the warehouse in the capital of Sao Paulo, avocado is the 22nd most commercialized product, with the main producing cities being Carmo de Waterfall, MG, 23.81%, and Três Corações, MG, 9.81%.
Nutritional information. Raw avocado. Nutritional value per 100 g, 3.53 ounces. Energy. 670 kJ, 160 kilocalories. Carbohydrates. Total carbohydrates, 8.53 g. Sugars, 0.66 g. Dietary fiber 6.7 g. Fats. Total fat 14.66 g. Saturated 2.13 g. Monounsaturated 9.80 g. Polyunsaturated 1.82 g. Proteins. Total proteins 2 g. Water 73.23 g. Vitamins. Vitamin A equiv 7 g, 1%. Beta-carotene 62 g, 1%. Lutein and zeaxanthin 271 g. Thiamine, Vit. B1 0.067 mg, 6%. Riboflavin, Vit. B2 0.13 mg, 11%. Niacin, Vit. B3 1738 mg, 12%. Pantothenic acid, B5 1389 mg, 28%. Vitamin B6 0.257 mg, 20%. Folic acid, Vit. B9 81 g, 20%. Vitamin C 10 mg, 12%. Vitamin E 2.07 mg, 14%. Vitamin K 21 g, 20%. Minerals. Calcium 12 mg, 1%. Iron 0.55 mg, 4%. Magnesium 29 mg, 8%. Manganese 0.142 mg, 7%. Phosphor 52 mg, 7%. Potassium 485 mg, 10%. Sodium 7 mg, 0%. Zinc 0.64 mg, 7%. Fluoride 7 g. Beta-sitosterol 76 mg. The 11 health benefits of avocado. Some health benefits of avocado are helping to hydrate and maintain the health of skin and hair, as it has B vitamins and vitamin E. In addition, avocado also has antioxidant properties and good fats known as monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated, which help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, taking care of heart health. This fruit can be incorporated into diets to lose weight and by people who have diabetes, as it is rich in fibers that help increase the feeling of satiety and regulate the absorption of sugars in the intestines. However, avocado should be consumed in small portions due to the fact that it is a very caloric fruit. The main health benefits of avocado are: 1. Prevents premature aging. The benefits of avocado for the skin are mainly to fight stretch marks, wrinkles, and cellulite because it is rich in vitamin C, which helps in the metabolism of collagen, a substance that gives firmness to the skin. In addition, this fruit also has antioxidants that help protect and prevent the aging of skin cells, giving greater elasticity and leaving a more beautiful and healthy appearance. 2. Promotes muscle mass gain. When consumed before physical activity, avocado helps in the formation of muscle mass, as it is rich in good fats, which provides the body with energy to perform the workout, in addition to providing proteins that favor muscle recovery. This fruit is also rich in magnesium, an important mineral for muscle contraction, and potassium, which helps fight fatigue and prevent cramps during training. 3. Provides folic acid. Avocado is rich in folic acid and, therefore, its regular consumption helps to stimulate the formation of blood cells such as red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells, preventing and improving anemia. In addition, it is an excellent option to be included in the diet of women who intend to become pregnant or who are in the first trimester of pregnancy, as folic acid is a vitamin that participates in the formation of the baby's nervous system, preventing the emergence of some congenital diseases, such as anencephaly and spina bifida.
4. Increases hair hydration and shine. When used in hair masks, avocado increases the hydration of the strands and favors their growth. This is due to the fact that it is a fruit rich in fats, vitamins of the B and E complex, making the hair shinier and healthier. 5. Helps to lose weight and prevents constipation. Avocados are rich in fiber, mostly insoluble, providing 3 grams of fiber for every 100 grams of fruit. Fiber allows you to control your appetite and avoid excessive food consumption, as it increases the feeling of satiety and regulates blood sugar. In addition, it also has B vitamins, which are necessary for the proper functioning of metabolism. However, because it is rich in fat, avocados have a lot of calories, and it is recommended that they be included in the diet in small portions.
6. Fight constipation.
Avocado, being rich in fiber, also helps to fight constipation, as it increases the volume of stools and favors intestinal transit. In addition, it is also important that there is an increase in water consumption so that the feces are more hydrated and soft, favoring their exit. 7. Improves brain function. The main benefit of avocado for the brain is to improve memory capacity, as omega-3 stimulates blood circulation and increases the ability to concentrate. In addition, being rich in folic acid and magnesium, it also helps in the prevention of depression, dementia, and Alzheimer's, as they participate in the synthesis of neurotransmitters that help improve not only memory, but also concentration and motivation.
8. Prevents heart disease.
Avocado, being a fruit rich in phytosterols from polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, helps to reduce blood markers that increase the risk of heart disease, reducing total cholesterol, triglycerides, and the bad cholesterol, LDL. In addition, it favors the synthesis of good cholesterol, HDL, preventing the accumulation of fatty plaques in the arteries and promoting heart health.
9. Controls blood pressure.
Avocado has good amounts of potassium and magnesium, important minerals that contribute to lowering blood pressure, since potassium promotes the elimination of sodium through the urine and magnesium helps increase the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps to relax blood vessels.
10. Prevent cancer.
Due to its content of antioxidants such as omega-3 and vitamin C, A and E, regular consumption of avocado helps to neutralize the formation of free radicals in the body and decrease the process of oxidative stress. In addition, oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat present in avocados, has an anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effect, as it can induce tumor cell death, thus decreasing the risk of cancer. 11. Help regulate blood sugar. Avocado is rich in good fats, in addition to being low in carbohydrates and with a good amount of fiber, which makes it an excellent fruit to be consumed by both people who have prediabetes and people who have diabetes, as it helps to regulate blood glucose and prevent it from getting high. To ensure the benefits of avocado, it is important that it is included in a healthy and balanced diet. Did you like the nature of the Amazon channel? I ask you again to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the nature of the Amazon channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge, and I say goodbye hereby.